Okay, removing butyl rubber residue when resealing a window with new butyl rubber. Scrape off as much as you can first, then you're going to get. So we're going to do this one-handedly. Put your Gorilla Tape over top of the butyl rubber residue. Push it down. Peel it off. And you can usually get more than one swipe out of it. The more you scrape off early on, the better it will work. This is a pretty heavy spot. I could have scraped a little better, but give me an idea. Takes it right off. It's also great for removing clear coat where it's damaged, so be careful with that, but this is good clear coat here. And I'll just go all around the window, and then what little residue I have left over, I'll just use what's it called? VMP naphtha. Does a good job taking that off, and then I'll do a final wipe with a little lacquer thinner. Lacquer thinner won't dissolve it. And it's also very good for removing the butyl rubber from the channel on the window panel. A little bit of work, but overall, it's quick and easy.